lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. Welcome back to my channel. Dun, 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 dun. For today's feature, I'll be presenting to you Valentine's gifts I received last Valentine's Day. And one of them is from DIOR Beauty SM Aura. And if you haven't watched my vlog when I visited DIOR Beauty SM Aura, you can click it here, or you can find the link down below the description box. Okay? But before we get going, you know the drill. If you're not yet part of my Jazzy Peeps club and I really love you to be part of it, just click the red button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted whenever I post a new vlog like this. Okay? So without further ado, let's start! So first, I received another gift from Estillo Casa Manila. So this will be my first time to unbox this. Okay, so you can find here this package is happy to see you too. Happy to see you too. So we'll here. Dun, 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 dun. What is this? Oh! This is room and linen spring scent. So this is a different scent. The last time I received was the hotel scent. Oh, this is so lovely. This is the new scent of Estillo Casa Manila. Here. Yeah. So nice. Check natin. What's the smell of this? Okay. Working. Yan. So, it smells good. It's like you're in a spa. Yeah, this is nice. Thank you so much, Estillo Casa Manila. And another one. Oh, here. This is it's a candle. Here. Yeah. Wow. I love it. Like this. Yeah. Here. I love this. What's the scent? I think this is also a new scent. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, Estillo Casa Manila, for this. I love it. You can get this also from Shopee. So I'll give the link down below the description box. Okay? Yeah, thank you so much. Another thing, my lovely neighbor Corinne gave this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, diba? So you know naman, I'm really open that I am a kakampink. Yan, here. Ang sarap. So this is so good this summer, and this will be very useful this summer. Yeah. So nice. Thank you so much, Sis Corinne, for this. Yeah. So look. Yan. So nice. Yes, this one. So it comes with the ribbon, as you can see here, and this star. Yeah, I really love the star. Super nice. So we will now see what's inside of this white paper bag and another paper bag of Dior. So Gina, my SA, was kind enough to give me another limited bloom paper bag. So it comes with a ribbon, that, and she gave me Houndstooth pouch. Yan. And not only that, she gave me freebies. This is their Dior Forever foundation, the new release, new collection. And Miss Dior parfum. Yan. Actually, it's a blooming bouquet. Yan. So those are my freebies. And now, this one. Yeah. So this is the Valentine's gift of my husband. Been married for 19 years already and turning 20 this coming December. And he knows perfectly well that I really don't want to receive flowers on Valentine's Day because the flowers are so expensive and it's not worth it. So I rather receive gifts that I really love to receive, like this, and I can use, right? Yeah, and this is part of the New Look limited edition. I already had one like this. So this is the dun, 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 the Dior cushion powder in Houndstooth. Yeah. And the good thing about this, yeah, it has my name on it. Yeah. You can see here, yeah, there is a jack there. Yeah. Here. Diba? So it's the same thing. So here, so it's still sealed. And the shade still the lightest because my skin is acidic. Yeah, this is only cloth, so same with my oblique pattern. Yes, so this is so nice. My love is my Jazzy Peeps. Yeah, when I visited Dior Beauty SM Aura, they only had one stock. And this is it. So one piece na lang siya. And the lipsticks were already sold out. I don't know if they will restock again. But with the opening of Dior Greenbelt, Dior Beauty Boutique in Greenbelt opened yesterday, March 9, 2022. Maybe they will restock again this one and the lipsticks. So let's see. I don't know yet when will be the formal launching of Dior Beauty Greenbelt. I'll let you know. Just follow my IG and my TikTok. And another thing, Sinsown Magazine page, because I'm proud to inform you, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps, I'm already one of their fashion and beauty columnists. Yes, please follow Sinsown Magazine FB page so you can read all the articles I've already written. So my section is more on luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Yes, okay? So that's it, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. This is just a quick vlog. I just want to show you the one I got from Dior Beauty SM Aura. And hopefully, I can attend the Dior Beauty Greenbelt formal launching. Yes. I think it will be in April. Yeah. Okay? So thank you so much again, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peeps. And hope you love this little unboxing again. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Just remember, my love is my Jazzy Peeps. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay gorgeous. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog. So this is my Christian Dior Oblique Cushion Powder. So I got this 2 years ago, January 2020. Yes, this one. And my new one, this one. The Houndstooth. Yes. And it's clear here. So my name is engraved here. Yeah. So nice. Super nice. I love it. I love them both. They're both beautiful.